Hello, it's Phil from Inclusive Music. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remix Christmas songs using BandLab. Keep watching! Go to google.com and type in bandlab.com. Sign up here if you need to, or just log in. Go to Create. Let's make music. For this exercise, we're going to use Midi files. Midi files are available all over the internet. All you need to do is type in the name of the song you're looking for. For example, Jingle Bells Midi file. There's likely to be a huge range of Midi files available. Midi file collection by Prairie Frontier. And here we have lots of holiday music and various different versions of Jingle Bells. Click on it to download. Click on here where it says drop a loop or an audio Midi file. Jingle Bell, double click and in it goes. This particular Midi file has 4 tracks playing the grand piano. Let's have a listen. Very pleasant but rather dull. So what we're going to do is change the sound on the individual tracks. Let's start with the top one here, solo it, click on the piano icon and we'll stick to a piano type sound. We've got a huge selection. Let's go for bells. Very Christmassy already. Let's double click on here, change the name to bells. Now you can see these 2 tracks have nothing on until about bar 17. So I'm going down to track 4 and change this sound. It's grand piano 4 at the moment. Let's see what the choices are. Piano, strings, synth bass, wind. Let's go for strings, not the guitar. Maybe the string orchestra staccato. There, it's loaded up. Rewind, solo it so it plays with the bells. Very nice. I'm going to add an effect on this. So if I click here, I'm going to add the classic chamber reverb. This will make it sound literally like it's in a sort of cathedral. And perhaps a little bit louder. Let's now go to bar 17 where this grand piano track 2, grand piano 2 comes in. Take the solo off of these 2. Let's rename that to string orchestra staccato. Now going to this track here, selecting that and changing it, clicking on the piano icon. I'm going to go for tubular bells. How about that? Takes a moment to load up. Let's play from 17. Make it a bit louder. And I think we'll have an effect on that as well. This time we could have the classic chamber. Let's have a listen from 17 again. Finally, let's rename this to tubular bells. And we have one more track here, so let's solo that. Go back to bar 17 where it starts. Let's have a quick listen. Just a boring piano at the moment. How about a bit of a wind instrument? Saxophone it defaults to. I'm thinking of a little bit more classical or more traditional, perhaps the French horn. Let's have a listen to that from bar 17. That sounds nice. Let's add an effect on this one here. We're going to call it French horn. Add an effect, ambient wind. Let's have a listen. That'll do. Let's rewind and bring them all in to see what it sounds like from the beginning. There we have it, simple as that. But we could also have a little bit of fun. Here's one I loaded earlier. Here you can see the 4 MIDI tracks and the changes to piano bells, tubular bells, French horn and strings orchestra. But I've also added some BandLab loops, drum beats, vocals and a drum machine. Let's have a listen to all of them played together.
I do hope you've enjoyed this Christmas special from Inclusive Music and that you'll be making your own Christmas song remixes over the festive period. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next BandLab tutorial. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Yo ho ho!